Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B12D2 indicates a power control unit IG2 circuit error specifically for the Honda Accord model from 2023 onwards. This error points to an issue where the body control module, or BCM, detects a discrepancy in the IG2 circuit compared to what the BCM identifies as the on state. The IG2 circuit regulates power to several key electrical functions in the vehicle, which means any fault in this circuit can disrupt the operation of these components. The BCM plays a vital role in ensuring that various systems function correctly based on input signals it receives. By diagnosing this error code, technicians can ensure that the electrical systems remain operational and safe. The following slides will provide a comprehensive overview of this issue, its causes, and troubleshooting steps. The DTC B12D2 signifies a malfunction in the power control unit's IG2 circuit, which is crucial for powering various electronic systems in the vehicle. Essential to the operation of the vehicle, the body control module, BCM, manages these power distribution tasks. The BCM will store this DTC if it detects that the actual state of the IG2 circuit differs from what it expects based on input signals. The IG2 circuit directly impacts components such as the ignition switch and electronic relay systems. For the Honda Accord, the BCM is located within the under-dash fuse relay box, making it relatively accessible for inspection. Thus, understanding this circuit's integrity is vital for ensuring the vehicle's electrical systems remain functional and hazard-free. Several issues can lead to the DTC B12D2, including open circuits or shorts within the IG2 circuit. An open circuit in the IG2 SIG connector can disrupt the communication necessary for proper functioning, while an open circuit in IG2 Coil Plus fails to deliver power efficiently. It's also possible that the body control module itself is defective, causing it to misinterpret signals from the IG2 circuit. Lastly, problems can arise from the IG2 relay circuit, which controls the circuit's integrity. Each of these potential causes requires careful inspection to resolve the DTC effectively and restore normal vehicle operation. Symptoms associated with the DTC B12D2 primarily revolve around the vehicle's electrical systems. Drivers may notice a power loss affecting components that depend on the IG2 circuit for functionality. This does not only result in diminished system capability, but it may also trigger dashboard warning lights, indicating potential fault conditions. Significant changes in the operation of ignition and electronic accessories may also be evident. Given the BCM's role, any disruption in signal transmission can manifest as various electrical anomalies, which need to be closely monitored. Hence, identifying these symptoms is a critical step in the troubleshooting process to avoid further complications. The first troubleshooting step involves setting the vehicle to the on mode, which is a critical state for initializing various systems. The technician should wait for at least 10 seconds to allow the body control module, BCM, to establish a reference point. Following this, turning the vehicle off, lock mode, for at least 5 seconds is vital, ensuring the module can reset and prepare for further diagnostics. This step is crucial as it helps identify any immediate discrepancies in the circuit before delving deeper into hardware inspections. Attention to timing in this step ensures that the BCM functions optimally and that any detected errors are accurate. The second step in the troubleshooting process focuses on inspecting the IG2 SIG circuit for any potential faults. The technician should check that there is less than 1 ohm of resistance in the circuit. This low resistance indicates a healthy connection. Anything otherwise may suggest an open wire or short circuit. A two-way inspection for issues like wire shorting to ground or power must be performed to identify faults. If any anomalies are detected, appropriate repairs must follow. This step is essential for ensuring that the BCM receives accurate signals from the IG2 circuit, confirming that it remains in proper working condition. During the third troubleshooting step, it's essential to inspect the IG2 coil plus circuit similarly to the previous step. The technician must ensure that there is less than 1 ohm resistance present, signaling that the power supply is uninterrupted. This resistance check is vital as it determines whether the circuit is functioning correctly. Any inaccuracies in the resistance readings may indicate an issue that requires immediate attention. Following inspection, all connectors should be reevaluated to guarantee they are correctly seated and exhibit no signs of damage. A reliable IG2 coil plus circuit is essential for the effective operation of the vehicle's power control unit. The fourth troubleshooting step necessitates installing a known good body control module, BCM, to test if the issue persists. If after installation the symptoms remain or the DTC reappears, it indicates that a separate component within the system may be faulty. Conversely, if the DTC disappears, it confirms that the original BCM is defective and requires replacement. This critical step ensures that the technician can identify the actual source of the malfunction without prematurely assuming the BCM is the sole issue. Thorough evaluation of all components should follow to correct any additional faults detected after BCM replacement. The final troubleshooting step examines the IG2 relay circuit if the previous inspections indicate normal conditions. This circuit plays a vital role in managing power distribution to various electrical components, and any faults discovered here could be the root cause of the DTC. A thorough inspection will confirm whether any disruption within the IG2 relay circuit exists. Technicians should validate that all connections are intact and functioning as required. Following this, all associated components must undergo testing to ensure the entire system operates correctly. Properly resolving any issues in this circuit is crucial to restoring the full functionality of the vehicle's electrical systems. After completing all necessary repairs, the final stage involves verifying the effectiveness of these actions. First, clearing the DTC codes from the vehicle's diagnostic system is essential. This reset allows for new data to be captured during a test drive. Subsequently, taking the vehicle for a test drive ensures that all systems engage as intended, and that any previously noted symptoms do not recur. A successful verification will indicate that all components are operational and that the DTC B12D2 has been resolved effectively. This step reaffirms that the technician's interventions were successful and that the vehicle is safe for use. To prevent future occurrences of DTC B12D2, several maintenance strategies should be employed. Regular inspections of all electrical connections and wiring can prevent disasters caused by corrosion or loose components. Keeping an eye on battery voltage is equally important, as fluctuations can adversely affect the power control unit. Furthermore, it's advisable to avoid the installation of aftermarket accessories that may inadvertently interfere with the vehicle's electrical systems. Consistent monitoring and proactive checks will reduce the risk of future circuit errors and ensure that your Honda Accord remains in optimal working condition. In conclusion, the DTC B12 represents a significant issue concerning the power control unit's IG2 circuit within the Honda Accord 2023 Plus. The troubleshooting steps outlined provide a systematic approach to diagnosing and rectifying this error. Understanding the functionality of the body control module and its connections is critical for electrical system integrity. The importance of thorough inspections and assessments cannot be overstated, as is maintaining a routine check on various vehicle components. Regular maintenance practices will not only enhance vehicle performance, but also minimize potential faults in the electrical system. By proactively addressing these concerns, drivers can enjoy a reliable and safe driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.